Hello children, this is moral science video that I am sharing with you. Next chapter for moral science is chapter number 4, lesson 4, sharing, which gives us the moral of sharing, and the name of the chapter is the stone soup. The stone soup. Okay, let us go through the story. The story says, one day three intimate friends, John, Kabir, and Rohan, decided to go on a trek to the countryside. John, Kabir, and Rohan were best friends and they decided to go for trekking to the countryside. Next morning, they set up early and passed by a village. They started next morning for trekking. Anyhow, they decided to halt in that village. They were passing by a village and they thought that let us halt in that village. Three of the friends, they had uh, tents to sleep, but they were not having any food or money. They were there in the village and they knocked at the doors of the villagers for food. The villagers refused since they had kept it for themselves. Remember, children, the villagers were having food but they had kept it for themselves, means they were not ready to share their things, especially food items, with anyone. That is no sharing. Remember, where there is no sharing, there will be no happiness, no satisfaction. Sharing is very, very important. Whatever amount of thing we have, we should always have habit of sharing. Okay. Cheerfully, they went to the village side and camped there. Means they did not get any food item from the villagers, but the friends they were not disheartened, and they went to the riverside and camped there. After some time, John got out of the tent and lit a fire. John lit a fire. One of the villagers passed by. There was a villager passing through, and then he asked John that why did he lit the fire when he had nothing to cook on. John replied that he was thinking of cooking a stone soup, and for that he needed a pot. Remember, children, this action of John shows that never to give up. We should never give up. Even if the conditions are worst, even in adverse situation, we should never give up. Don't give up. They did not get any food item from the villagers, but still they were not disheartened. And John asked that villager that I am going to cook stone soup, and for that he need a pot. The villager went home and fetched the pot for the three friends. Means the villager thought that okay, I can't give them any food item, but let me give them a pot. So he went and arranged a pot for them. On getting the earthen pot, John filled it with water and put in two stones. Okay, water and two stones. Why? Because John was there to prepare. John was preparing stone soup. Kabir, the second friend, after a short time, remarked that the soup would have been tastier if they had cabbage. This was the way they were asking for the help. Villagers were not ready to help them for food items, but this was the way they were getting their work done. So, this is something very important. We should know how to get our work done from other people. Don't get disheartened if somebody denies or if somebody says no. Keep trying, and trying. Okay. And an old villager who was watching them curiously immediately rushed to get the cabbage. That is, one arranged for the pot, and second villager went to arrange the cabbage for them. As the water began to boil, the three friends got some other curious villagers to bring vegetables, spices, and other food items from their respective homes. Means gradually, step by step, they were arranging for their food items. Food items they need to prepare soup, not stone soup, but cabbage soup. The three friends had a hearty, fragrant feast ready, which they shared with all the villagers. Means now finally the soup was ready. It was all from the villagers' side. Villagers only arranged for the food items and the soup was ready. Very important thing here is that they shared with all the villagers whatever they prepared, whatever they cooked. They shared their food item, prepared food with all the villagers. Sharing is very important. So the message is, sharing is the act of doing something together towards a shared aim. By working together with everyone contributing what they can, a greater good is achieved. Thank you, children.